Today I'm going to go over briefly the step-by-step process that a seller has to look forward to when they decide to do a short sale. So let's dive right in.
If you want to sell your house very fast for cash, then House Cash In gets the cash flowing.
First step, you're going to reach out to a short sale processing company. You're going to interview them, ask them a couple qualifying questions, make sure you're comfortable. They're going to ask some questions to you to make sure a short sale makes sense, and then you go from there. Step number 2, once you decide the correct processing company to go with, that company is going to submit a third-party authorization to the lender, which essentially allows them the legal right to obtain information and discuss sensitive information regarding your file, the loan file. During this process, guys, there's going to be documentation passed back and forth. There's going to be different kind of information, questions and answers. A lot's going to be going on in this step. Once the documentation is complete, everything short sale related, it's going to take us to step 3, which is to contact a local real estate agent to get your property listed and sold for a good market value price. Now, the agent's going to reach out to you. It's going to be very similar to a traditional listing. They're going to want to take pictures. They're going to want to evaluate the property, list it a certain way, so on and so forth. Step 4, hopefully this happens quick for you. An offer is going to come in, maybe multiple offers. Your job as the seller, you're going to get with the listing agent, and you guys are going to decide the best offer to submit to the lender. The offer that's going to give you the best opportunity to get the short sale completed and approved. Once that offer is submitted, brings us to the next step, step number 5. The lender is going to review the offer and they're going to order an appraisal. That appraisal is either going to be A, a BPO, which stands for broker price opinion, or B, a full interior appraisal, which is a little bit more expensive for the lender. After the appraisal is conducted, it's going to bring you to step 6, which is based off of that appraisal. Whatever the number comes in at, the lender is either going to accept the offer or they're going to counteroffer the buyer. If they counter the offer, typically some sort of negotiation will ensue back and forth, and then hopefully they meet at a number and it gets accepted, which brings us to step 7, which the lender agrees to a price. They'll then issue an official short sale approval letter. Nothing's official till you get that letter. And then it brings us to step 8, closing. You could breathe a sigh of relief. It's all over with. You can move on with your life, and the short sale is completed. Guys, I hope that information helps, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Have a great day.
If you want to sell your house very fast for cash, then House Cash In gets the cash flowing.